There's a saying by Jim Quick that goes, "Your mind is always eavesdropping on your self-talk." Our emotional well-being is a powerful force that shapes our reality. Every thought, every feeling, is a ripple in the vast ocean of our consciousness. And mastering these currents and tides can truly transform our lives, leading us to greater joy, fulfillment, and success. So today, we're going to explore a tool that can help you navigate through the sea of emotions, an emotional first aid kit. An emotional first aid kit isn't a physical box filled with band-aids and antiseptic. It's a metaphorical toolbox filled with techniques to help you manage your emotions. It's a collection of self-care practices, soothing activities, and personal mantras that can help you navigate through emotional distress. It's a purpose of this kit is to provide you with a set of tools to help you cope with emotional pain, stress, and discomfort, just as a regular first aid kit would do for physical injuries. The beauty of the emotional first aid kit is in its personalization. It's not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. It's unique to you, tailored to your needs and preferences. It's a reflection of what works best for you during times of emotional turbulence. And over time, as you grow and evolve, so too will your emotional first aid kit. Now, let's dive into how to build your very own emotional first aid kit. The first step in building your emotional first aid kit is to identify your triggers. These are the situations, people, or thoughts that ignite feelings of distress within you. They could be as simple as a crowded room, a heated conversation, or even a specific time of the day. Triggers can be subtle, often sneaking up on us when we least expect it, leaving us in a whirlwind of emotions. Hence, it's crucial to be mindful and observant of our feelings. When you feel a negative emotion creeping up, pause and ask yourself, what sparked this feeling? Journaling your feelings can be a highly effective method to track and identify triggers. Write down what you were doing, who you were with, and what you were thinking when you experienced a particular emotion. Understanding your triggers is like having a map to your emotional landscape. It helps you navigate through it with much more ease. Once you've identified your triggers, you're ready for the next step. The second step is to create a comfort list, a list of activities that bring you joy and peace. Imagine having a magic box that contains all the things that can instantly lift your spirits when you're feeling low. That's essentially what a comfort list is. It's a treasure trove of activities that have the power to bring a smile to your face, no matter how you're feeling. Let's talk about how to create a comfort list. Start by thinking about what makes you happy. It can be as simple as reading a book, taking a stroll in the park, or sipping on a cup of hot cocoa. It could be something more elaborate like painting a picture, writing a poem, or cooking your favorite meal. Remember, this list is uniquely yours. It should be filled with activities that you enjoy, not what others suggest, or what you think you should enjoy. This is about you and what brings you comfort. Now you might be wondering, why is a comfort list necessary? The answer is simple. During times of emotional distress, we often forget what makes us happy. The comfort list serves as a reminder. It's like a roadmap that guides you back to a place of joy and peace. Additionally, having a comfort list helps you proactively manage your emotional well-being. Instead of waiting for distress to strike, you can regularly engage in these activities to maintain a positive emotional state. With your comfort list, you're well on your way to building your emotional first aid kit. The third step is to craft an uplifting playlist, a collection of songs that resonate with you and lift your spirits. Music is a powerful tool for emotional regulation. It can transport us to different places, stir up old memories, and even change our mood in the blink of an eye. Creating your uplifting playlist begins with understanding what makes you feel good. This is a highly personal journey, as the songs that uplift one person might not have the same effect on another. So start by identifying the music that brings you joy, inspiration, or a sense of calm. It could be a catchy pop song, a soothing classical piece, or even the energizing beats of electronic music. Consider the lyrics too. Words have power, and a song's message can be a potent source of inspiration. Look for songs that echo positive affirmations, encourage resilience, or simply remind you of your inherent worth. To start, aim for at least 20 songs. This gives you enough variety to suit different moods and situations. Remember, this playlist is a living thing, always open to new additions as you discover more music that moves you. Use this playlist as a tool for self-care. When you're feeling down, press play and let the music wash over you. Allow it to shift your mood, to remind you of your strength, to provide a comforting presence. With your uplifting playlist, your emotional first aid kit is almost complete. The final step in building your emotional first aid kit is to compile your go-to mantras. Mantras, or positive affirmations, are powerful tools that can shift your mood, reinforce your self-belief, and boost your resilience in the face of adversity. They are the verbal medicine in your emotional first aid kit. Imagine a mantra as a seed of positivity that you plant in your mind. Each time you repeat it, you water that seed, and over time, it grows into a tree of self-assurance, providing shade from the scorching heat of negativity and self-doubt. Now, let's talk about creating your own mantras. Remember, these should be positive, present tense statements that resonate with you. For instance, a mantra like, "I am strong and capable," affirms both your strength and your ability to handle challenges. Another tip, make your mantras specific. Instead of saying, "I am successful," try, "I am successful in my role as a graphic designer." This specificity can make your mantra feel more real, more attainable. You might also consider crafting mantras that address your unique emotional needs. If you struggle with anxiety, a calming mantra like, "I am at peace with uncertainty," could be a balm in stressful moments. And finally, repetition is key. The more often you say your mantras, the more deeply they'll root themselves in your psyche, and the more effective they'll be. With your go-to mantras, your emotional first aid kit is ready to go. And there you have it, your very own emotional first aid kit. This unique, personalized toolkit is a testament to your commitment to emotional well-being. It's not just about having it, but using it regularly, updating it as you grow and evolve. It's your go-to haven in times of emotional distress, a beacon of comfort and calm. In the wise words of Buddha, you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Remember, your emotional well-being matters. Stay tuned for more content on self-improvement and emotional mastery. Don't forget to share your experiences or insights in the comments and subscribe for more content.